information zone. This is what we're supposed to see here.
Hopefully we don't see the mountain lion though.
Yeah, hopefully not. We didn't bring any weapons with us.
Maybe that's the big lizard you saw at the other camp.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Was
I
it
don't
big
know.
like that?
It wasn't big, it was
No,
small.
it was little.
And it was very fast. This one is the vertical live zone. 11,000 feet and we're only at 10,000.
Mm.
There's a deer then. Cool. There. So you can do some performances down there. So nice. You can sit here, watch somebody, a play or something. And it's very close to the parking lot. Not very far at all. But I think they close it off maybe because well, people can still walk. I saw some person down there. There's a picnic table and the view. The peak. It's almost summer and there's snow. Snow and ice. It's probably muddy, but so we can go to this trailhead and it might be slippery because it's ice. You have to be careful, but there's still a lot of snow, so they just plowed it here to the side. That's probably why it's a big block of ice here. Walk from here, you are here. That's a long walk going up to the trail, and then you'll see a glacier. Glacier. It's day use only area, so you have to come back before it gets dark. Well, if you have the physical strength, people who are more athletic can try to climb up there, see a glacier. I haven't seen a glacier, so that would have been cool.
That would be cool.
Except that I don't think I will be able to climb up there. Not with my sandals only. You can definitely try. I also got a gift with that walking stick.
Oh
so
yeah. Have you used them much?
not yet. I haven't
No.
used it yet, so I'm trying to find an excuse.
I was gonna get some at Costco, but I think I missed it. You know, it's kind of at the end of the season now.
Oh,
so.
okay. The trail with a pathway, but it's covered with snow and ice. So I guess if you want to walk or hike there, you need hiking sticks. And we don't. I have it in my car, but
Yeah, if it wasn't snowy, but I don't really want to go in
Yeah.
snow. I don't want to fall.
I know, me too. We're too far away from our camp. It probably got melted. That's why. There's a little bridge there. It would be cool.
Yeah.
Except that maybe not. If you think we're gonna hike that way, probably not. We're not prepared for that.
No.
We're just having fun. It's gonna be not fun if you hike there. Well, maybe it'll be fun if you like hiking that way. We'll be park on top, so I can climb up here. So it's like hiking, but it's not really. It's like a little trail, shortcut to the car. go down. We're not gonna hike in the ice or snow. But it's a nice place to visit. Anybody who wants to come here to East Nevada, good place to visit here, especially today. It's not hot. I mean, the sun is out, but the temperature is only 57 degrees. So it's nice outing weather. We go out, take an exercise, breathe in fresh air, and okay, let me concentrate driving first. So this is the view going down the mountain. So we're finished with our tour up there, and you can see again, nice place, Nevada. So it's a steep grade going down from 10,000 feet. So I got the windows open, so it's a little bit wind noise. Close the front window, maybe it have a lesser sound, but I think I can still hear it. If I can still hear it, the wind noise, we can probably still hear it. Oh, it's a sharp U-turn again. Oh, hairpin turn, not U-turn, but it's just a turn in the road. So we just drive slow so you don't skid out. But you can see the mountain view, so different view going down. Sorry, I was adjusting the camera, but it's nice. I mean, it's nice outing. It's not hot, it's cold. It's now 59 degrees, so it's starting to get warmer once we go down to the lower elevation. But you can see a nice view to the left. It's really different if you just watch on video and you're actually here. So actually it would be nicer experience if you are here. You know what I mean? You have to be here to enjoy it. But watching the video is also good because at least you'll know what to expect if someday you will come here and you will see this and you will say, okay, this is what it was. It's actually nice. So we're now at 9,500 feet. There's still snow on the side of the mountain, the ice that we showed earlier. I think we're good already. See, this one has will open up to a nice view. What it is. It's a nice view right now coming up. So from above you can see, and then there's a sharp right turn. So you just follow the sign, the safety signs along the road, and you will be fine. You'll be driving. Well, you need to drive slowly because you're going down the mountain. It's good for the miles per gallon, but sometimes the car will just want to accelerate by itself. So you have to pay attention to your speed. And then you can see the nice mountain view there. Here's watching the video. Because sometimes you cannot just go to places you want to go. You just want to experience it through the eyes of other people. And by doing that, at least you will be able to enjoy, you know, what you can actually enjoy just by watching videos. But at least with YouTube, it help a lot because you know you're looking at the point of view of a regular person, you know, like a normal person. If you consider me normal, then it's not a professional videographer where they make it very nice, professional looking. And as a normal person with just average or below average video expertise or know-how, or the camera, which is the equipment you need. If you have a very good equipment, professional equipment, of course it will look a lot better. And I'm just shooting it at 1K definition, so it's not even 4K, because with 4K you got more data and you need faster computer to edit videos. I already have backlog on my video editing, so that's why I use only 1K. My camera can do 4K, but yeah, look, another nice view here on the right. You can see. Hopefully that is clear from the video camera, but it's actually a nice view from up here, because up here it's cooler, so you think down there is cool, but it's actually warm there down. It's like 75 degrees now, Fahrenheit. So just twisting and turning, so I'll switch up for now to concentrate driving. In this view earlier, I don't know, going up, I don't know if I switch it on the camera, but right now you can see the video and you can see me. Hey, fun or not? You have to be careful. We're now at elevation 8,500 feet. So I don't know if you can actually see my face, or maybe not. I still need to pay attention because there's traffic now. Traffic the opposite way, and we're still going down the mountain. Okay, maybe I should switch off because this is winding road again. It's cold here. I should bring a metal detector.
There you go. Do you have one?
No. I want to have one, but
That would be a good hobby.
yeah, I just need to find a place for it in my camper. Says Shola Beach. So there must be a trail here. Okay, and there's a trail. No dogs allowed. Go down there. It's a steep one.
Yeah, it's like 5 miles.
5 miles. I thought it says 1/3.
Well, we could go there and see what that is.
Now it's a nice view going down the mountain. So it's windy, but you can see it's clear. I think it's a lot clearer from here, from this point of view, because we're going down. And it's clear from this view. I have to concentrate on my driving because this is like zigzagging. Anyway, it's a nice view. Now we're seeing the mountain at the other side, the opposite Lima Caves Visitor Center.